Here we go. 2021 Immaculate Collection Soccer. Good luck. All right, first up, Weston McKennie out of 49, United States. Luka Ivanusec from Croatia, 10 of 49. Ardonna Turan, Atletico Madrid, 15 of 49. Jasper Gillison out of 99. Heralded Material. Reece James, 45 of 49. Premium Guillermo Ochoa, 33 of 49. Premium patch, I guess. Premium jersey. And one of the United States big stars. Nice, very nice. Modern Marks, Landon Donovan out of 99. Thank you very much. Let me know if you'd like anything else. We also have Formula One, Topps Baseball. I have more of the Optic and Prism.